Okay, what's up guys? I'm Terrence. Today I'm gonna show you how to design this cube looking like 3D. It's not, I mean it looks 3D, but it's a gradient actually. It's just a gradient. Okay, it will be in Illustrator. Today I'm gonna use Illustrator to show you. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna create a new document. Okay. Normally I would use 3000, 1500 RGB color, high 300 ppi. Okay. Don't get overwhelmed by this. In default, you would see something like this. Window essential. Sorry about my English, by the way. Okay. First of all, we're gonna use this Polygon Tool. Okay. Right click on this, and then click Polygon. Okay, so here's what happens if you don't press shift. Okay, it's hard to rotate, so we're gonna have to do it again. I'm gonna show you why you need to press shift. Click. Okay, click on the artboard. This is normally they would call this artboard. Okay, click, press shift, so it's proportional in the right shape. Okay, again, just hold shift and then rotate using our mouse 270 degrees. Okay, now you have this hexagon shape, right? Okay, we're gonna have to duplicate this. It's pretty simple. You can duplicate this, super simple. Okay, we press command. I'm on a Mac, so you're gonna have to press command or control on Windows. Command, click the object, and then drag. Command, click the object. Command, click object. Why doesn't? No, it's not command. It's not command. My bad. Sorry. It's option. Okay, it's option. Okay, click the object, and then you drag until it's perfectly aligned. So how are you gonna see it if it's aligned or not? We're gonna press command or control Y, and then you're gonna see the outline. So basically this is a white background, white and then a black stroke. This is your stroke and an outline. Okay, fill and stroke. This is your fill. So we're gonna go back and press Y, control command Y again. Okay, now we're gonna have to use the Pathfinder tool. Normally I use it sometimes, but I will use the shift object. This is going to be on another tutorial. Okay, just go to Windows and then Pathfinder. Actually, I do use it a lot sometimes. Okay, select all. Since your cube is already aligned, your hexagon is already aligned, and then you select all. Okay, then we're going to press this divide on Pathfinder tool. Divide. Once you're done, so it's already divided. You can see if the lines are like this. If it's not divided, you can see it's connected. You can't see, I mean this path anchor tool is all connected. So go select all, divide again. Now we're gonna have to select the top one. Press directional tool A, direct selection tool A, select only this top part, these 3 pointers. Okay, and then press delete on your keyboard. You're going to have this object. So now we have the cube, right? It's going to look 3D soon. So, and then we're gonna have to make a line. Where's the line again? Okay, normally I would use the pen tool. Okay, it's also in the Polygon Tool section. Okay, right click here, line segment tool, or the slash key, and then hold shift, click on the artboard, and then drag it down till you see something like this. Okay, and then select all, and then we click the Pathfinder again, divide tool. Now we're gonna have this triangles. Don't worry, we can do redo that later. Okay, don't worry about this. Let's click here, click this one, click this one and this one, and then click unite. And then for the left side path, click unite. Now we have this shape, triangle and square shape on the hexagon. Okay, now we have our object after we've done the Polygon tool and everything with the Pathfinder tool. This is what's so good about this Pathfinder tool. So it's easy to create objects and connect them, combine them together. Okay, it's my first tutorial, so sorry about this. So right now we're gonna have to create the 3D effect. It's actually a gradient, but it looks 3D. So we're gonna select this object and then click this gradient tool, or press G. Normally I would press G, and then gradient slider. We're gonna click this one, this gradient slider here, and select the color you prefer. And then the other one, maybe I will go a little bit on the yellow side. Okay, once we have this tool here, once you have this, okay, let's click on the right object shape and press the eye tool, or eyedropper tool is right here, and then click the color that you want. Click, and I'm gonna kiss gradient, and then control and then V, click V, selection tool. This is the selection tool. Okay, and then click eye again, click the color that you want, V again, select the shape that you want the color to be in, and then click the eye tool. Done. Don't worry about the outline, we can remove that later. Right now we're gonna have to change the shadow, the looks of the shadow. Gradient, I'm gonna press this one, the gradient tool. Once you press this, it will come out this something line here, some kind of line here. Okay, we're gonna have to drag from here, right? Okay, drag it, play around, just play it around and drag the other one, something like that. Okay, this one we're gonna have to drag it from the bottom so it looks like it's from the inside, and then this one too, drag it up top. So it looks nice and clean. Drag it again. You don't have to be perfect at first start. Somehow we're just training right here. Get the hang of it. Okay, right now let's remove the outline and see how it looks. Select all, and then go to here, stroke, and then click none, or your shortcut. Okay, and then now we have this look, right? Okay, so we're gonna press the object again, press G. Oh wait, okay, we're in the outline, sorry. Okay, sometimes it happens after you remove the outline and then you forgot to click the fill. You have to click the fill first, and then you can change the gradient from there. Click fill, G, command, no, just click G, press G on your keyboard, just drag a little bit. So right now it looks like it looks perfect now. I mean, you don't have to be perfect. You're here to train. If you like to do like designs like this, and then you can do other things. Actually, you can do a lot of things with it. So this is the basic. This is mostly the basic, and I guess that's it, guys. More tutorials coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.